Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial. Hey everyone, for today's Elementor tutorial, we will be going over how to create image carousel slides without navigation buttons where, either the arrow or dots that are usually on image carousels to navigate to next image. So let's get started on today's Elementor tutorial, okay? Okay, so as you can see here, there are many different types of image sliders or image carousels. Some of these are Elementor add-ons from third parties. So there's a lot of them available. So as you could see, all these carousel options, they actually have some form of navigation, either dots or arrows or, dragging to see the next image. So what we want is just no navigation at all, an image slider with no navigation at all. So this is how we are going to do it. So in this tutorial, we are going to do with an HTML code element that we will have available to you. Do check the link in the description. So let's get started. So let's create a container or to put our HTML element in. So this code just simply advances to the next image on click, and it doesn't have a preview of the next image, okay? So it's just simple jQuery code for a slider, really. Okay, so let's take a look at the code and explain a little bit what it does. So you see here, this code right here, just make sure that our jQuery doesn't start until the whole page has been loaded. Hey, we've got a quick favor ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel in these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. Okay, so now onto the switch slide function. So this function is really in charge of changing which slide is currently active when you click. And the next function is the next slide function. So it figures out which slide's the next slide and then makes that the active slide and slides it into view. And so here's the sneaky thing though. So that are actually slider arrows in this code, but it's just invisible, right? It's just a play button, invisible play button. So when you click on it, you don't see it, but it actually advances to the next slide. Okay, and then we got this last part of the code. It's the auto slide feature. So the auto slide feature right now it's set to rotate to the next slide every 5 seconds. What that number down there says 5,000. That means 5,000 milliseconds, which is 5 seconds. So you could change that, but it rotates automatically every 5 seconds if you do not have your mouse cursor hovered over the image. If you have your mouse cursor hovered over that image, then it pauses the auto timer. So if you want to change your images, right here's a code. You replace those URLs with your own images. Okay. So by default, the image, this code, the image is going to cover the whole slide area. You see the object fit there, it says cover. So it ensures image covers the whole slide area. Now, of course, you could adjust the height and width of the slider container. And you can also adjust the height and width of each image also by image. Anyway, I think that's all we have for today's tutorial. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below or in comments. And if you like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up. We would really appreciate it, and that's how we know that these videos are helpful. And also, please hit the bell and the subscribe button so you get to see more videos like this. Okay. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye.